Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I have a really great little project to share with you today, and it's a gift card holder, and it uses the Sure Do Love You or the Lots of Love box framelits. So if you look over here, I actually missed this when I first was browsing through the catalog, but this here actually creates a little box. Super cute. The box is actually quite a good size, and it fits two of these little Welsh fruit packages in them. So it's a good size box. But for today's project, we are actually going to use this die to create this gift card. So I'm going to show you how we do it. My cardstock I'm using is Melon Mumbo, and I have this cut at 4 inches by 8 inches. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this in half. I have my big shot, and what I'm going to do is I am going to line where it closes. I'm going to put that in, line it up in here, getting the top of the die. I'm now going to feed my top plate through because I don't want it to cut the rest of the box. I just want it to cut this top piece. So I'm now going to crank this through, and I stopped it right underneath those tabs. Yep, that's going to happen. Put that off to the side. And what you should have is that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm actually just going to cut off those little tabs. On either side. I have a piece of Painted with Love Designer Series paper. Now I will have this measurement over on my website www.stampwithshar.com. I'm going to use some snail. I'm just going to attach that to the box piece. I have some tear and tape. You're just going to stick this up along the edge. Like so. You're going to come in, you're going to get that paper off. You're going to seal it shut. What I did now was I folded that back, took my snail and folded that back just like so. I came in with some shimmer ribbon and I just tied a little knot. They call that a square knot. So I just basically tied myself a little knot, and then I went ahead and I punched out pretty little label. I don't think anybody wants to watch me tying a bow because when I do it on camera, I have the hardest time ever. So we'll save the bow tying for later. The ink I'm using today is Melon Mumbo and Memento. And the stamp set I'm using today is the Thoughtful Banners, and I did Thank You Friend, and it does come with the coordinating punch as well. So I have my thank you. Just gonna stamp that. I've got friend, thank you, friend. I went a little skew because I have another stamp there, but it's okay. Crafting doesn't have to be perfect. And then I just kind of stamped, just to kind of give it a little, I don't know, different look, if you will. And that, my friends, is it. And what I did then was I glued this in here like so. And that's it. And then your gift card just slides in. It is a little challenging at first, but it does fit in there perfectly. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. That way you don't miss my next video. If you are in the US and you're interested in any of the products I used in today's video, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a detailed written description over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I'd love to have you go there and visit. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you. Right now, I do have a little giveaway freebie thingy going on, so go and check that out as well. Leave me some comments over on my website as well as YouTube, and you will be entered into the drawing. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. We do have another nor'easter coming, you guys. Please be safe.